Focuslight is a silver sponsor of Epic's 20th anniversary party. Simone, tell me about Focuslight micro optics. I'd like to learn more.
Good. So we have very strong knowledge and expertise about building micro optics. Micro optics is everything that you need in order to make your beam different shapes, let's say collimated, or to create your own beam out of your laser. So we are very strong in fast axis collimation lenses, slow axis, BTS.
I mean, fast axis, slow axis, but what I'm seeing here is that you cover, I mean, you have all types of different micro optics here. I mean, you have homogenizers, collimation modules, a focusing lens. Really, you're able to make all of this?
Yes, all of them. We have the expertise. Our expertise is located in Germany.
Yes.
In terms of knowledge and R&D. So we make all of them. From the homogenizer, still a monolithic block, we combine the BTS and FAC or focusing lenses in order to optimize dimensions of the fiber couple module. And
okay, so optimize the dimensions for the fiber coupling module. So if I'm a system integrator, am I able to come to Focuslight? Can you help me with this?
Definitely, definitely. We wanted to share our expertise with our partners.
Great. Thank you for teaching us about Focuslight.